Welcome to this complete WordPress website masterclass. In today's special world, website speed is no longer optional. A slow website can reduce your SEO ranking and user experience. Even a 1 second delay can increase bounce rate significantly. In this masterclass, we will optimize WordPress step by step, from speed testing, advanced performance optimization. We'll learn practical techniques used by professionals. No unnecessary theory, only real implementation methods. Whether you use Elementor theme or plugin, this applies to all.
Let me ask you something. If your website takes 5 minutes to load, do you think that your visitors will stay? No, they will leave. And when they leave, you lose traffic, ranking, and the customers. Now let's begin chapter by chapter. Hello friends. Welcome to this chapter of website speed. You know, there is a certain range of website which the visitors feel comfortable. A slow website makes the visitor frustrated. So, I want to discuss in details the various things that are affected by the website speed. Let's begin. So, what we are going to do now, we shall start discussion on major things. Those are influenced by the website speed. Now, let us see what are those 5 important elements. First is user experience, second bounce rate, third SEO ranking, fourth mobile performance, and the last conversion rate. What are these referred to? These are core concepts of digital marketing and website success. Now we are going to elaborate each of the elements one by one. First is user experience. What it means? User experience is how easy and enjoyable your website is to use. Suppose if visitor comes to your website page and feels this is easy to understand, I found what I did quickly. That is a good UX. Now turn to this picture. This is the explanation of a good user experience as well as bad user experience. You can see in the excellent side there are too many users and they are staying. On the left and the right side, the example of bad user experience. There is no users staying, no user doing nothing. So this picture explains the behavior of user experience. Next is bounce rate. What that means? Bounce rate is percentage of visitors who leave your site without doing anything. Suppose 100 people visit your website homepage, 60 leave without doing anything. So the bounce rate is 60%. So high bounce rate is equal to people don't like your page. Reason: slow loading, bad design, wrong content, etc. That is how bounce rate indicate visitors leaving quickly. Slow websites often results in increased bounce rate. Faster sites encourage users to explore more pages. You can see from the picture the website speed is indirectly proportional to the bounce rate. If website speed is increased, then the bounce rate is also going to increase. And oppositely, if speed is less, bounce rate is going to increase. To continue, next is SEO ranking. What it means? It means your position on Google. Example: page 1 high ranking, page 5 low ranking. What affects ranking? Keywords, content quality, website speed, mobile friendliness, backlinks. This means speed is a critical factor in Google's ranking algorithm. Faster sites are more likely to appear higher in search results. Better ranking lead to increased visibility and traffic. You can see from the picture that ranking mainly depends on the quality of the page. It's maybe website speed, maybe quality of content, maybe mobile friendliness, or extent of the backlinks. The next is mobile performance. What this means? How well your website works on phones. How well your website works on phone. Reality: 70 to 80% users are on mobile nowadays. What we mean by good mobile performance? The fast loading, responsive design, easy to tap buttons, text readable without zoom. And the bad mobile performance is text too small, buttons too large, broken layout, etc. Now it starts like this. Mobile users expect fast load times regardless of network speed. Optimized mobile performance enhances user engagement. Google's mobile first indexing prioritizes mobile speed. This is the clear mobile performance. This picture shows how clear the performance of mobile to be exactly. Next is the important one, conversion rate. This means when a visitor takes action, means when visitor is staying in the pages and doing something, clicking, page turning, etc. So example of actions are fill contact form, call you, buy a service, send messages, etc. As for example, 100 visitors, 5 contact you. So conversion is only 5%. Our goal is to be turn visitors into customers. How to increase? Strong CTA, trust, clear offer, simple forms, etc. So in summary, faster websites lead to higher conversion rates. Speed influences users' decision to purchase or sign up. Even a 1 second delay can significantly impact sales. You can see from the picture clearly conversion rates vary. Welcome to new chapter, how to test website speed. Now before proceeding, let us revise what we have gone through previous session. We have seen introductory proceedings followed by website address and gone through why website speed matters in chapter 1, where we discussed about 5 major elements which prone to be influenced by the metrics of website speed. Now let's begin how to test website speed. In today's fast-paced digital world, website speed is a crucial factor that can make or break the user experience. Testing your website speed is essential to ensure it loads quickly, keeping visitors engaged and satisfied. There are various tools and methods to evaluate website performance, such as Google's PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, and Pingdom. These tools analyze different aspects of your site, including load time, server response, and overall performance, providing valuable insights and recommendations for optimization. By regularly improving and testing your website speed, you can enhance user satisfaction, boost search engine ranking, and ultimately drive more traffic and customers. Let us now move on to test website speed with Google PageSpeed Insight, GTmetrix, and Pingdom respectively. We'll go with webseo.freelancer.com as a specimen URL, where to understand the website behavior with respect to the various metrics. Let us go to browser to open the Google
PageSpeed inside site to analyze the website for various metrics. We are ready with Google PageSpeed inside site to analyze web speed of the URL webseo.freelancer.com. I enter the URL of the site. Then to analyze, go to this button and click. It will take some time to happen. Now it has come. See, there are two things. One is mobile, another is desktop. You can analyze your website with respect to the mobile phone as well as with respect to the desktop. Till the total picture comes, let me tell something more. Now it has started coming. Okay, I will do one by one. You see, these results are here. This is diagnosed performance issues. This is performance 64. 64 is the marks for performance. Accessibility is 99, very good. You see, all the green figures are very good. SEO 100, best practice 100. So this website is, you can say, very good in the first instance, but the performance, so long as performance is concerned, it is not very enthusiastic. It is 64 only. This orange with red figures are dangerous. See, is the breakdown: CLS, SI, FCP, LCP and TBT. These are the breakup of the various matrices figure. So this is not very much enthusiastic with respect to the performance. You need to improve performance. Improve your website to meet performance up to the standard. Here also all the matrices are shown. Speed index is very high. Then total blocking time is very good. Largest contentment is not good. First contentment also not good. These are because of the heavy images. You can see this website, the very heavy image in the hero section, isn't it? Now you scroll down to see all. Basically maximum is red. So the website needs to improve heavily. So we have seen the analysis done by PageSpeed Insights, and now we'll move to GTmetrix for their analysis. Hello, now we are in GTmetrix website speed test page. We'll test our website speed taking my URL, that is webseo freelancer.com. So to start with, you need to type your URL, website URL. So I am typing webseo LNCER.com. Now you need to log into this page. If you have a Gmail account, you can sign in, then you can use this result sheets. Without logging in, you cannot see full data. So first you need to log into this page and then insert your website page. In case you want to try this, you need to input your website URL. Now I have put my website URL, and then I like to analyze my website and to show you how the website behaves. So now I will analyze. To analyze, you have to click analyze. Click in here, then it will take some time to get back the reports. Analyzing with Lighthouse. So my website has appeared on the screen. Now the results have appeared. So what they are given? GTmetrix grade. This website is of grade C in GTmetrix tool, and other parameters are performance 62%, structure is 85%, which is in green, largest content in full paint, total blocking time, cumulative layout shifts is 0. So what are the inferences of these data? Grade C means is average. A, B, C. Excellent is A, B more than average, and C is average. So the performance means overall speed score, and anything below 80% needs optimization. So here in this case performance is 62%. So the is not very good, not good, it is average, and it needs improvement. Anything below 80%, you need to grade it up to minimum 80%. The next is structure. Structure is 80%. Structure means how the website is knitted one after another. Its content, its text, its images are knitted together, called structure. Here in this case the structure is got 85%. It's more than average and the good side. Then the major problem is largest content full paint. What is this means? This means how quickly your content appears in the page. If it appears late, then it is very bad. In this case 3.8 seconds is very bad. Very bad. Is below 2 is not accepted. It should be below 2 seconds. Your contents need to appear on the screen within 2 seconds. In that case, ranking will be good. Now total blocking time. Total blocking time is TBT. TBT is 0. No blockage. TBT means your site is responsive, it's not laggy. TBT measures how much JavaScript blocks interaction. JavaScript, we use JavaScript, sometimes we use JavaScript CSS to decorate the pages. So the interaction between various scripts is called TBT, total blocking time. Whether JavaScript is interacting with others, that measures the TBT, total blocking time. In this case it is 0, so mainly it is 0 because nowadays using WordPress very less amount of JavaScript and CSS are used. So blocking time generally comes within range. Then cumulative layout shift. That means how you were uploading the pages, that comes how, whether it is distorted or is properly appearing. That is the meaning of cumulative layout shifts, whether any shift on the contents. So in this case layout shift is 0, means as it is, it has come, no distortion. Here you can see so many attributes, so many and this is the summary of the total attributes. You can see TTFB is 1.3 second, first contentful print is 2.8 second, but largest contentful print is 3.8 second. First contentful print, first appearance is within, it started from 2.8 seconds and totally takes 3.8 seconds. And the largest contentful print is 3.8 seconds. Time to interact is 4.1 seconds. Overload time, onload time is 4.1 seconds. Fully loaded time is 4.3 seconds. So everything is above 2 seconds, and that is why this website needs improvement. Here you can get the performance details from here. This is the all things are given. Browser timings, this. You can note this for your website and analyze what is coming, what needs to be improvement, what is online. That's all. So our structure is here. Loading this largest contentful print, GTmetrix, LCPs. You can get all the data, all the results by GTmetrix. Okay, it's okay. I think we have understood what GTmetrix is for. We use GTmetrix for analyzing our website speed and performances. Now another thing is CLS, measures layout shifting. I have told. Then speed index, how fast content visually appear. speed index. You have seen speed index and the performance. The speed index is 3.9. Ideally it is should be less than 3 seconds. It is, in this case it is 3.9 seconds, means slow. Largest content pool is 3.8 seconds, is also attribute to slowing the loading. The main causing the problem, main issues, heavy hero section. You see this hero section is given here. This is a heavy hero section. There is a large background image, text embedded in image. This directly increases LCP and ultimately slow loading. Unoptimized images. These images may be unoptimized, means it may not be compressed, may not be saved in WEVP format like this. When too many CSS and JS files, elemental loads, many files, bugging, add extra text. So this way CSS and JS files are making blockage. This interaction with JavaScript with CSS and other scripts is happening. No proper caching, CDN, server delay visible. Server is problem also, but in my case I use Hostinger server. Still there is some problem with the server. Fonts and external liquids, Google fonts not optimized. It says Google fonts not optimized. So we need to improve for this website. In your case, you will analyze this. You will have the various attributes data and analyzing this, or just at the instance you can see what is what. It's average, excellent, or below average. In areas orange or red is not acceptable to Google for indexing. This needs to be improved to rank high. These yellow and red attributes needs to be improved. There are many ways to improve. We'll come later with these aspects. Now we'll see what another tool, Pingdom. We'll next go to Pingdom. Here we are in Pingdom website speed test pages. We'll use this page also to test the same URL, and almost all steps are almost same as we seen before in PageSpeed inside GTmetrix. So first we need to put website URL. So I am putting my website URL to analyze. Then we go to start test, starting test, running test. So it takes some time to publish results. Let us wait some time. Let me see how it is. View results. Here is all results. It's almost a same result, a little bit this way, that way. Page size is 5.4 MB, means page size is very on the higher side. Performance is C grade. Here also it is C grade. Loading time is this. Request 108, too much. So this way you can note down the data for your website and then analyze. Here you see image 83.3%, script this, CSS this, font size this, HTML. These are all request by content type, customized by content type. These are all data. So this way, now this here you can see all in graphics. See, for every in pages he has given, and here you can get the data by shifting the cursor. So I think it is clear. Same way, same thing. You might be thinking that why we are using the same for this same work, different tools. Here I like to mention that we use multiple tools because each shows different aspects. PageSpeed focuses on SEO ranking factors. GTmetrix gives detailed technical insights, and Pingdom shows real user loading speed. Combining all three gives a complete performance analysis. So this is why we use, generally everybody uses all three tools. There are other tools also, but mainly these are most popular tools which you can use for your website speed test. Not speed test, and another aspects also you can test. Okay. So I think it is clear about the speed test results, how you test your speed in different tools. PageSpeed inside, GTmetrix as well as Pingdom. Now you can go and test your website calmly, and you get the results. Then you analyze. You can easily access the various aspects to see where you need improvement, where your things are okay. This way you can rank your website higher. Thank you. This is a website speed audit report for WEB SEO Freelancer.com, presented by SK Trading. Now, today I will take you through the website performance, key issues, and how to improve it. Website speed is extremely important for both users and Google ranking. A faster website improves user experience, reduces bounce rate, and increases conversions. Simply put, a faster website performs better. Tools used. To analyze the website, we have used three industry standard tools: PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, and Pingdom. There is a comparison of the tools. PageSpeed Insights check SEO impact, GTmetrix find exact problems and ping them, explain to client simply. Now, the performance snapshots of the website we have tested. Here is a quick overview of the website performance. The overall score is 60 to 74. The load time is 5 seconds. Size of the image is 5.4 MB and the request 108, which is very high. Now we'll see what is good in it. Let's look at what is working well. A strong structure. This website has a strong structure. No layout shifts, means a stable design and fast interaction. Interaction speed is good, so user won't feel lag. Key issues. Though there is good some, but there are few important issues. The key issues are slow loading speed, heavy page size, too many files loading, and slow main content display, which means the main content takes longer to appear, which affect user experience and SEO. Now the problem one, heavy images. So there are one issue, most important issue is heavy images. The causes are large hero image, no optimized, no WAPP format, and impact is slower load and poor SEO. So directly slows down your website. Problem number 2, too many files. Excess CSS and JavaScript files, too many plugins, impact, more requests is equal to slower site. Your website currently loads 100 files including CSS and JavaScript. This increases load time and affects performance. Problem number 3, no optimization. There is no proper caching, no CDN, and fonts are not optimized. The impact is slow delivery of content. That is, website is not delivering the content efficiently. Now, solutions. The solutions for the improvement are as follows. Compress and optimize images, use WEBP format, enable caching, reduce unused CSS/JS, set up Cloudflare CDN. These steps will significantly improve performance. Now, action plans. How we go step by step. First, we have to fix hero section, which is the most important section. Fast appearance hero section. Mostly people use heavy sections with large fonts and all that. Then optimize all images. Images are to be optimized. It should be in the format WEBP. Then caching to be enabled. Without caching, the website doesn't function efficiently. Then reduce plugins. People use too many plugins. Don't keep the unused plugins at all. Reducing plugins will help the speed grow. Now add CDN. Set up a CDN, that is CDN like Cloudflare. How to set up Cloudflare as action plan. Expected results. So after all these setups, improvements, you can expect the following results. It will always on the increasing side, betterment side. The load time will 5 to 2.5 seconds. Average is 2 seconds. You expect website to load within 2 seconds. And page size will be increased to 2 MB. Request also will be adjusted around 60 from 180. And the performance overall will be almost near about 85%. So in conclusion, we must confer that the website, whatever it is, of a strong foundation, and that all issues are fixable. Not that the website is bad. Issues are there, but that those are fixable. And big improvement potential. With proper optimization, we can significantly improve both speed and SEO performances. Now the questions. If you have any questions, you can send to me in my WhatsApp number given below. So if you would like, we can help you implement these improvements and optimize your website professional. Let's work together to make website faster and more effective. Thank you. Hello, welcome to a new chapter, hostings and server optimization. But before that, I'd like to take a look back what we have learned so far. We have learned the general idea on website speed, then why website speed matters, where we discussed about 5 major things: user experience and bounce rate, SEO ranking and conversion rate, and mobile performance. These 5 major things we have learned in details. Then we were shifted to next chapter, how to test website speed. We have tested website speed using Google PageSpeed Insight, GTmetrix and Pingdom. We have also noted all results and then have made a audit report of the test. And now it's time for the next chapter, hostings and server optimization. Hello. Now it's time to move on. Let's go to hosting and server optimization. Introduction to hosting and server optimization. We'll explore essential components of hosting and server optimization. Our journey will cover fundamentals, best practices, an innovation in the field. Let's dive in. Web hosting is the service that allows your website to be accessible on the internet. Key types include shared hostings, VPS, dedicated servers, and cloud hosting. Each offer different levels of control, performance, and cost. Important server optimization. Server optimization is crucial for improving website speed, ensuring reliability, and enhancing user experience. It involves fine-tuning server configurations, optimizing database queries, and reducing resource bottlenecks. The best practice include regularly updating server software, implementing caching mechanisms, optimizing images, and using a content delivery network, that is CDN, to distribute content efficiently. Innovation server technology. Innovations like containerization and serverless computing are reshaping the landscape. These technologies offer scalability and cost effectiveness, making them attractive options for modern business. To wrap up, optimizing your hosting and server setup is critical for website success. Implementing these strategies can lead to improved performance and customer satisfaction. I am happy to answer any questions and any queries. You may send me through WhatsApp, the number as mentioned below. Now we move on the next chapter, image optimization. Here we will discover the fact of faster website and how to enhance user experience. Why image optimization matters. In today's dynamic digital world, speed is an important factor. Slow loading websites causes frustration and lost opportunities. It is a fact that images account for 20% of the total web page contents. That is why optimization is must to improve the site performance. Compression techniques. It is required to start compressing the images, keeping the qualities intact. It is required to choose exact file format for images to improve website performance. JPEG is the best choice for photographs. PNG suits well for graphics with transparent background. Use of WEBP format is considered best for the balance of quality and compression. Apply logic to decide best format. Ensure your images are responsive. SRC set attribute may be used to provide different image sizes for varying screen resolutions. With this, user gets the best experience both in mobile as well as desktop. Optimized images equal to faster website, better speed, better SEO, better results. By optimizing your images, you are not only speeding up your site but also creating a more engaging experience for your visitors. Embrace these techniques and watch your website shine top. Now, you might be having some questions or doubt. Please find me in my WhatsApp number given below and website webseo.freelancer.com to appraise me of your questions and the doubts. I will immediately reply. Optimize your website today. Welcome to the concluding chapter, Caching and Technical Optimization of Website Speed Masterclass. In today's fast-pacing digital world, ensuring your website or application runs smoothly is crucial. Let's dive into how caching and technical optimization can make a significant difference. Caching is a technique used to store copies of files or data in a temporary storage location known as cache. This process reduces the time it takes to fetch data from the main server, leading to faster load times and improved user experience. Types of caching. Types of caching are browser cache. Browser cache is a mechanism used by web browsers to store copies of web pages, images, and other web contents on a user's local device. Server caching. Server caching is a vital technique employed to enhance the performance and efficiency of web servers. Then Content Delivery Network (CDN). CDN cache is a critical component in optimizing web performance by storing copies of web content across multiple geographic locations. Database caching. It is a crucial technique used to enhance the performance and efficiency of database system. Popular WordPress caching plugins: WP Rocket, LiteSpeed Cache, Optimisation. What should be enabled? Page caching, browser caching, minify CSS and JavaScript, combine files, removed unused CSS, defer JavaScript, and database cleanup. Benefits of caching. The benefits of caching includes increased speed, reduced server load, and decreased bandwidth usage. By delivering content from a closer or more efficient point, users enjoy a seamless experience. Technical optimization strategies. This involves various strategies to enhance the performance of a website or app. Techniques such as code minification, image optimization, and lazy loading help reduce the size and complexity of your web pages, ensuring quicker load times. Caching and optimization process. To implement caching and optimization, start by identifying resources that can be cached, such as images, script, and style sheets. Use tools like Content Delivery Network (CDN) and optimize your code and media to lighten the load on your servers. By embracing caching and technical optimization, you can significantly enhance the performance of your digital platforms. Remember, a faster website loads to happier users and improved engagement. Thank you, and be sure to subscribe for more tech insights. With this, I conclude Website Speed Masterclass. Hope you have enjoyed the proceeding and also hope this is helpful to you all, especially the beginners. To wrap up the things, website speed is not a trick. It's all about structure, postings, images, caching, photo titles, and clean codes. If your website loads under 2 seconds, you already have a competitive advantage. If you need professional website speed optimization for your business, I help improve performance and rankings. Fast websites win, slow websites disappear. Visit webseofreelancer.com or contact SK Trading. Thank you. Hope to meet again